Hi, good day. Do you want to know how to generate new product or new services ideas quickly? Do you want to know one secret formula that you can use to immediately jumpstart your creativity? If yes, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Dixon, and today in this video I'm going to share with you one quick formula that you can use to get creative ideas in terms of new products or new services. Now, why understanding this is important to you, because in the future of work, it requires new thinking, it requires new product ideas, it requires new services ideas. So if you can help your business generate creative ideas fast, you will be in an advantage position. So what is the one secret formula I'm going to share with you today? It is called creativity by multiplication. It is called creativity by multiplication. So what does that mean? That means you create a new product or new services by multiplying things. So let me give you an example. Let's say you are running a fast food restaurant and you are selling burgers. Right? So most of the time when we sell a burger, it is like typically it's like one meat patty and one cheese, right? Or at most, right, double meat and double cheese. Right? So that is a typical fast food restaurant will be offering in terms of a hamburger product. How about you create a new hamburger product by using this multiplication strategy? So how about we put 10 meat patty and 10 cheese together? Or to take it to extreme, how about we put 20 meat patty with 20 pieces of cheese? So that means you see that is a scaling up version of the burger, right? That's a multiplication version of a normal burger. Right? So let's make it like a 2020. So in fact, this 2020 burger is a real product, is a real innovation that is happening in US. In US, there's actually one fast food restaurant, right? They have this 2020 burger. It is 20 meat patty and 20 pieces of cheese. Right? So that is a new product, right? By using multiplication. Another example I can share with you is, let's talk about like kitchen timer, right? Kitchen timer, right? Is those a small timer that you use in the kitchen to help you do your cooking. Right? So typically a kitchen timer, they only offer you one time slot. That means you can only program one, what we call the one item, right? So if you're cooking pasta, right? So you can only set the timer for cooking pasta. How about we use this multiplication concept, right, in terms of this like a kitchen timer? How about we combine maybe like 2 or 3 kitchen timer together in one timer? So that means you multiply it. Right? It's not just about one item, but it's about 2 or 3 or even 4 or 5 items into one kitchen timer. So here I have example. Right? Here is example is this timer. If you look at it, it is actually a multiplied version of the typical kitchen timer. Right? Normal kitchen timer only serve one item, but here it serves 3 items. That means if you are cooking the spaghetti, you're cooking a chicken, you're cooking fried noodle, you can actually have all these like 3 food items all locked in one kitchen timer. So that is an example of creativity by multiplication. Now, how about in your business? How about in your business operation? Can you leverage on this creativity by multiplication concept? Absolutely. So what you can do is you can think about your current business output, and do you think you can scale up your current business output? So for example, if you are running an HR department, right, let's say you are now doing a lot of like recruitment activity day in and day out. So do you think you can ramp up and scale up your recruitment activity and maybe eventually create a spin-off from the current department. That means you create a spin-off department, or even create a spin-off startup and entity out of your current HR department, so that you can productize, scale up your recruitment offering. Right? So that is another concept you can consider using multiplication. Another example, let's say you are in this manufacturing business, you are in this industrial sensor business. So you produce industry sensor to help the factories, to help the manufacturing plants to monitor the operation. So you are in the sensor business. Do you think you can scale up this business? Do you think you can multiply this business? That means, can you consider creating a spin-off of sensors? Right? Maybe create a startup focusing 100% on sensors or on this IoT, Internet of Things sensor, right? So that this spin-off will be a revenue center by itself. Right? So that is a way you can innovate, right? By scaling up, by doing multiplication. So I hope this video sharing is something useful to you. If you want to create new product and new services ideas, what you can do is you can use this creativity by multiplication. So if you like this video, make sure that you share with your friends and colleagues. Once again, this is Dickson. Embrace creativity, embrace multiplication. Get a new product out, get a new service offering out. Cheers.